Hello there. As a React developer, you may have come across the Context API, a powerful feature that allows you to pass data down the component tree without having to manually pass props through each level. It's a handy tool that can simplify your code and make it easier to manage state across your app. The Context API consists of two primary components, the provider and the consumer. With the provider, you define the data you want to pass down the tree, and the consumer allows you to access that data from any child component in the tree. Let's dive into an example where we want to apply a theme to our entire app. First, we'll create a context object. Next, we will wrap our entire app with the provider component and pass in the theme object as a prop. Now we can access the theme object from any child component by importing the consumer and assigning to the context to a constant. In this example, we are using the theme object to apply a dark or light theme to our app. We can access the theme value from the context object using the useContext tool and apply it to our app component's class name. One thing to keep in mind is that the context API can lead to performance issues if used improperly. Since any child component can access the data, React has to check for updates to data on every render, even if the component doesn't use the data. To prevent performance issues, it is essential to use Context API sparingly and keep your context objects as small as possible. So with Context API, we can access the data we need without having to pass props down through every component in the tree. Just be sure to use it carefully to avoid any performance issues. Thanks for watching.